Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is March 28th. Do you know what that means? This is something on a stick day. That's true. It's something on a stick day. So the video that I have is already prepared, and in this video I am making some sweet pepper kebabs. The beauty of something on a stick day is whether that's meat, whether that's vegetables, whether that's corn dogs, it is a wonderful time to just try something new. Now, before we begin and we're like, oh my goodness, I just want to give you a chef's tip for making your best something on a stick, okay? Now, these are your regular kebab sticks. I always advise that you put these in water either overnight or for 1 to 4 hours before you grill or before you bake with them. All right, enjoy.
look at them, and then put
That's all the time we have. Happy something on a stick day. I hope that you have enjoyed watching me make these wonderful, tasty kebabs. And I hope that you make something on a stick today, too. Happy cooking.